So guys, another day, another video. Man, I'm so tired today. I'm out of coffee, which is also a very good premise for today's video, which is color correcting. Today I want to share the basics of color correcting, which I do whenever there's a special occasion. I don't do it every day because I don't care. Okay, but as you can see today I look extra tired because I've had no coffee and I didn't sleep properly last night, so the under eyes have gotten really bad, and we should color correct today. So basically what color correcting is, if you see a color wheel, there are colors over there, so every opposite color cancels each other out. For example, I have purpley, bluey, grey undertones under my eye, for which I would essentially need a peach or an orange color corrector to cancel that out. If you have redness, you get green. If you have if you want to brighten, there's yellow. So like that, if you study a color wheel, whichever problems you have, the opposite color always corrects that color. Am I making sense? I hope I'm making sense. Alright, that's basically the theory behind color correcting. Now, color correcting is very popular on Instagram and on YouTube, but what I feel is whatever the beauty gurus over there do, it's not practical. And sure, it looks fantastic under the studio lights, but on a daily life, um, not so much. They just use way too much product. They just take the orange or the red or peach color corrector and just swipe it there, like make a triangle, and just it's just too much. You don't need so much. So if you were ever curious about color correcting, and if you wondered how you can do it, here it is. This is a color correcting session for beginners, if I can call it that. Yeah, that this is exactly what it is. So without further ado, let's begin. My skin is just moisturized and I have put some sunscreen into it. Okay, I've just put some moisturizer and sunscreen on, and the color corrector I'll be using today is the PAC Cosmetic Take Cover Concealer in the color, what's the color? It's an orange one basically. Color is not over here, how odd. Okay, I'll show you. It is basically an orange color corrector. Now, what you need for color correcting is, a lot of people use brushes. I don't, because the essential concept or theory behind color correcting is you need a sheer veil of the color corrector, and what I feel is a damp sponge works best for that. It just shears it out, and a brush will just put on excess product, because a brush you typically use for full coverage, and sponge you use if you want to minimize the coverage, because it's a sponge soaks up the product. Oh my god, I'm so tired today. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay. Wake up. Okay. I want to take a nap after this. So take the color corrector, and I'll show you. I have a lot of dark circles, so I think it's perfect under my eye, so you know how much or little to do with it. Take it, $1. This is the darkest over here. I mean, that's it. I'm actually gonna do the one side first, and then I'll let you guys see how that goes. And I also have some discoloration on this side. Wow, I really need thread in my mustache. This side, so I'm just gonna put a little bit here, like, whoop. I mean, that's it. Now, you take your damp sponge and blend it out. Brown skin usually have discoloration around their mouth and under their eyes. So if you want to, um, if you're planning to go out, and if you want that darkness or not to show, color correcting is key. I didn't do it and I didn't believe it at first, but after I started, I'm like, oh my god, this is revolutionary. Okay. After you blend it out, you should essentially look something like this. So, you see how much it's stretched out? And if you want to add a little more, of course you can. So now, yeah. So this is it. If you can see the difference. And maybe I just want to add a little more right on that corner. So I'm just gonna add maybe one dot. So you really don't need much if you are not going for maybe a full drag makeup, which we usually don't on a day-to-day basis, let's be honest. Okay. And you need color correcting when you are doing a complete beat face. I mean, you can do it every day, but do we have the time? If you do, kudos to you, man. Can I have some of that time? Can you lend it to me? Man, I'm so tired. I'm just speaking crap. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Sure, everything is blended. So yeah, after that you take a full coverage concealer. This is key. You can't take a sheer coverage concealer. You do need a full coverage concealer, and you apply it where you applied your color corrector. So you take your concealer and I'm just doing one side so you can see the difference. To wipe, I need a brush for the concealer. Because I can see the brush. So I'm just using this random brush that I have. This is like an angled brush that I got from Shein. And I'm gonna blend that out quickly because the back concealer really sets. So tired. Why am I this tired? So tell me guys, till I like blend everything, how are you spending your quarantine and how are you liking these videos? Are you liking it? Do you find it helpful? Do you want me to change something? Or I mean, do you have any suggestions? Because then suggestions are always open. Like this is like very new to me, and basically I do this because I like doing it. I mean, if it helps you in the process, fantastic. I'm so glad. But I basically do this because I would like to see how I did my makeup maybe in 2019, 2020 when I like grew old or something like that. So I mean, yeah, I hope you can see the difference between this side and this side. And I mean, for now I'm happy on how the coverage is looking, but for all of you I will add another layer and I'll show you. So I'll take the concealer again. This is the PAC Spotlight Concealer, by the way. So maybe here. Yeah? This looks nice? Cool. And now I'll take the same brush. This, like, I won't use again like this dollop also, but I just want you guys to see how it builds up. So yeah, So yeah, coming back to the videos, are you guys liking it, are you guys not liking it? Because in my head I'm doing this for me, and I want to see how my makeup journey or my skin or hair journey has progressed. So if you guys do have some suggestions on if on anything, actually, basically the lights, the background, on what products to use and what you want to see, please tell me, because I'm always looking for new products or how to improve. And because this is so new and this is completely out of my forte, if you guys have been doing it or know something about it, of course. Okay, see, so this is it. I've color corrected, and now I hope you can see the difference between these two sides. And yeah, I'm gonna set this side with some Rimmel Stay Matte transparent translucent powder, because because you need to set it. I have creases, and if I don't set it, Lord help me. So that's it. This is it. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'm gonna come back. So yeah guys, this is how my makeup looked today. I did not apply any foundation, I just put on some blush and highlight. And yeah, I should put some lip balm, which I will in a while. But this is color correcting for your under eyes, made easy for you. I hope you guys liked something. If you guys liked this video, subscribe, switch on that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up, and tell me what you guys want to see next. My links for IG is going to be down there. Do follow me, and it's always a fun time over there. I'm way more candid, way more funny over there. So if you want to see the other side of me, come join the family. And my dog is snoring there. So if you want to see any more if you like sorry, my brain cannot function today, oh my god. So if you guys like beauty, health, skincare, hair care and videos like that, please join the family and do let me know what you guys want to see. If you want a tutorial on this took literally 5 minutes. Do let me know, I would love to do that. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. I hope you guys have a blessed day, a happy day, a productive day. Wherever you are, I hope you're safe and you're with your loved ones. And on that note, I will take your leave, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.